Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be checking out this Oulac concealer. I got it in light medium. Over there you can see all the specs. Basically this is a long-lasting concealer that has full coverage and blurs the imperfections into a flawless, natural-looking result. Let's check it out. Ooh, what a luxurious packaging. Love the matte plus the shiny together. That's really cool. Stay Real Sculpting Concealer. So let's go ahead and try this out. See the color here. We're just gonna go ahead and dot three, and get that in there. Next, I'm gonna use these fingers to conceal since I don't have my brushes and everything. I'm gonna make sure it's nice and light. And there you have it. Definitely makes the eye a lot more, pop way more. Definitely lifted my face a little bit, and now focus all on the eyes. Definitely a great color match. Got rid of those under eye bags. I thought it was gonna be too yellow when I put it on, but actually it's perfect. I feel like some concealers are like a little bit too liquid, some are like a little too dry, so on and so forth. But I feel like this one has like the perfect consistency where it just kind of just blend right into my skin without, you know, too much issues. So yeah, if you want to purchase this Oulac concealer, they have a whole variety of shades. Check out the shades, and to purchase it, go check out the link below. Let me know in the comments what you think about this Oulac concealer, and continue watching if you like product unboxings. All right, see ya, bye.